This is one of the displays and demonstrations that I built for the Scouts for the train club. And what I have on here is a little short piece of track with the all-wheel pickup truck where every wheel is taking energy and sending it into a rectifier, and the rectifier is taking the AC from the transformer and converting it to DC, and then the DC is being sent to a digital reverse controller here, and then that DC is being sent out to the motor, and this motor has been converted to DC as well. It's a AC armature and brushes with a DC field set. This is vintage smoke with the gear, and on top of it is a PC board with it's like a voltage regulator, and a temperature sensor. So this will sense the temperature, and if it gets too cold or too hot, it'll turn the energy coming in up or down. And then I have regulated smoke, and then I have a switch here so you can turn the smoke off. Sometimes in the club they want to have the smoke off and then just turn it on for a little bit. Anyway, I put this together for the guys, and they use it when they go to their shows to show people how the trains work, and these are sort of like updates to the vintage train stuff. Okay? All right.